Hello guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to set up a chatbot for your social media accounts in order for you to be more responsive and convert all the messages you get easily. So stay tuned. So guys, the website I'm going to show you today is ManyChat. So open this on the browser now. Type manychat.com. Then you click on this, click on it. So wait a second, so we're going to load, guys. Just a few minutes more. I already created an account on ManyChat. So you have to create an account on manychat.com. Link all your social media platforms that you want to set up the bot on. So guys, I'm in my dashboard now. I'm in my dashboard on my ManyChat account. So in ManyChat, you could set up different type of messages. You could run ads on Facebook here, case studies here. You will create case studies here. There are templates of case studies, and you see live chats. The live chat that normally shows on Shopify stores, WordPress. So you will integrate all your social media and your stores, integrate it together with manychat.com. So once you integrate them together, this live chat will show on your store, and the bot will automatically respond as fast as possible, even beyond you can imagine. So guys, I want to show you a section whereby I added some content in the message that I want my audience to get whenever they message me. So it's like actually like a tree or like a chart. You set it up step by step. You will have likely questions of your bio and likely response that they will give you. You will also answer the questions also again. So the bot will automatically respond according to the response of the buyer for your product, guys. So stay tuned and keep watching. Thank you. I really appreciate that. So guys, do you see this? Thank you for your message. We are unavailable right now, but we will respond as soon as possible. I already integrate my Facebook with this chat now. So whenever someone messages me, irregardless of me not being active, this message will be sent automatically to that person on Facebook Messenger. Do you understand, guys? So thank you very much for your time. I really appreciate it. Feel free to check more tools here. There are so many other tools here available for you guys. Explore them one by one. Try to learn something new from them every day and leverage your business higher. Kindly subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like my video, comment in the comment section if you wish to tell me or wish to say something regarding my video. Thank you very much.